Hello, folks. Now, before we get started with Manage and Thrive, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, my coaches are Trevor Carr, Max Gerstenmaier, and Fergal Downs. And this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So if you're interested, make sure you click that first link in the description below. Now, back to the review. You can grab Manage and Thrive in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'll give you 5-star bonuses. The first bonus is an affiliate marketing business made easy PLR product. So you can learn the latest trends and strategies to outperform other affiliates. As well, you'll get an access to a comprehensive list of resource articles. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic so that you can make money online. Grab it and you will reach your online income goals quickly and easily. Bonus number 3 shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr so that when you get an order for an expensive gig, as an example, you can buy it for somebody on Fiverr and sell it to your buyer at a lower price. Bonus number 4 shows you how to create a passive income, and the keyword here is recurring passive income. And you can do it quickly and easily. And bonus number 5 shows you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day running the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you high-converting website, and all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. The vendors behind Manage and Thrive are 2 well-known product creators and vendors in the self-help niche. They provide instant content solutions to busy internet marketers, and they are behind the brand Profit Experts. Now, Profit Experts have over 31,300 sales on Warrior Plus alone. And you should seriously consider this product for your coaching and training success. It's a huge package for those wanting to build an internet marketing business. In a nutshell, Manage and Thrive, and turning your plans into triumphs, gives you 6 done-for-you business productivity and optimization titles with exclusive PLR at 90% off. The important thing is here is that you need to get this package while it's on sale. What does it include? Well, you receive 6 expansion code reports, 6 pro sales funnels, 6 done-for-you lead capture pages, 6 affiliate recruitment centers, 12 pro delivery pages, 18 affiliate promotional emails, 30 e-cover designs, full PLR license, and 54 promotional banner graphics. A complete package. The sales funnel looks like this. The front end is for $10.83, and it goes up to $14.99 as sales increase. Now, this is a great package for your internet marketing process, as I mentioned, but this package will be removed after the launch period, so you need to act quickly. Now, there are 4 upgrades and some downsells, so be prepared for them. The downsells, you might get less product, or a different product. But in any event, they're all great deals. Now, if you need to know more, click the second link below and get the full story. And before I go, make sure you check out that first link in order to earn $10,000 a month. And my 5 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain recurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day running the entire system, and You also will receive an Affiliate Marketing Made Easy PLR with today's trends.